Welcome to Learning English with Mslinh channel. Let's practice English through the conversation.
I'm so sorry for your loss. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay, but it's been a tough week. My aunt passed away.
Oh no, I'm so sorry for your loss.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Is there anything I can do to help?
Just your kind words mean a lot. Thank you. It's been hard trying to wrap my head around it all.
Of course, take as much time as you need to grieve. And remember all the good times you had with your aunt?
I will thank you again. It means a lot to have support during this time.
Thanks for watching. If you find my videos helpful for improving your English, please like, comment, and subscribe to support my channel. Especially hit the bell icon to get notified when new videos release.